Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. This is Armin again here, and today is 25 of August 2023. Okay, without further ado, let's go back. Let's go here as last part, which was variable. Now we wanna go and check. We don't wanna write something. Wanna go to a web page and let's see some exercise. How you wanna? Here are variables and here are data types. We wanna check this according to the last one variables which we saw. Okay, here say create a variable name my name, my name, and assign it to 50. Okay. It say create a variable and then when you say to 50, you want to say, for example, let's integer and the name is here, and that is 50. This is just an variable. What happened? Submit. Correct. Let's go to the next one. Create a variable. Create variable name. This one it say create a variable. Again, the name is this one because this is just a name of a variable, and it say John. John is just a string, is a name. Okay, and just that is a string. Okay. Why Big Daddy? My name. My name, and now submit it. Now go to the next one. Say display the sum of 5 and 10, which we saw, I think. Here is say x and y, 5 plus 10. Okay, here is int. This is a variable just, and this is x, and this is 5. Okay, we have two variable, and here we get the result of that two variable. Let's go to the next. Create integer variable called z. Make an integer variable called z. Okay, and assign it to x plus 1. And now here we say we have integer 1, first one x, integer second one is y. The third one is x plus y. And now if I say here print now z, it's gonna to return me the sum of that two one. And now let's go fill the missing part of the correct three variables of the same type using comma. In the last part I told you guys, if all those variables are the same type, this is integer, and I'm saying this is integer, and I say I'm going to use comma to separate them, and now I have here three variable, three integer variable x, y, z, and submit here. Okay, next let's go to the data type. Here add the correct data type for variables. Okay, this is number 9. This is integer. My double, this is 8.99, 8.71, 7.1. Each way when you say point, you say okay, this is double. My letter char, it's a character, it's boolean, it's something false or I forgot about it, something, this is something, this is or true or false. Number is 9, true or false. A number is negative, is a true or false, or I don't know. Something condition is a true or false. Bool. And here we have hello world because it used double quote. This is a string. Also maybe you get a string of 1000 word, and this is also a string. Okay, let's see. All right, let's go next. Create two boolean variable, boolean, true or false, named yai and nai, and add property value to them. Okay, I say here first one bool yai true, for example, bool nai false, yai nai. This is two variable, just two variable, true and false. Because when you declare a variable in the first place, all these variable, for example, boolean, what you see as default is false. When you, for example, you say boolean variable x, that is as default considered as false, and then you wanna assign it to new things. Later you wanna say create a greeting variable and display value of this. The name of variable, the name of variable is this. Hello. What's hello? A string. Okay. And here I say here now print greeting. I want now return the data of that variable. I say that I need the data which is hello of that variable. Okay, this is now correct answer. And if I say here var, let's say here, because this is just about educational purposes, and it's once you have to learn, first of all, this is just a string. Okay, let's go to the next one. Type casting. What is casting? This is the last question. What is casting? This is exact. We talked in the next one. What casting in a global term? It wants to say, for example, if you have an integer and I want to cast this, for example, to a string, or you say here in this case, you say convert variable to a string. Okay, I have here number 10. I have other method or other variable which accept string, and I want to pass this there. Okay, and here we have a convert method. Let me come here, C# convert. Casting, I want to talk about casting in the next one, but we have here convert class provides different methods to convert the base data type to another base data type. The base type supported is a boolean, char. You cast pretty much everything. Okay, I'm coming to Microsoft convert class. For example, we have here a variable, double variable, and then here we have other variable, and here it says system convert to what? It say just convert this number. This is just, it say here convert that number to an integer. Okay, I have a double, but I wanna change it to integer. Okay, like this. Or for example, I have here a boolean and I wanna return that. Convert, just convert, you cast it. But this is not casting like this. But let's go here. Okay, convert dot, let's come here, convert dot to a string. Let's come here, find what was a string, convert dot to a string, convert dot to a string, and what I wanna convert, and that is that variable. And like this, we wanna talk about casting a little bit more and about variables in the next one. But now I am here now, for example, I want to say C# code examples. Okay, let's come here, just say for example here, I don't know, for example here, structure, just structure. For example, let's come here, I don't know, let's go, it doesn't matter what, just we want to see some variable. We want here var, we have variable, but reserve word var, we want to talk about it later. Var is one pretty much to say when you use var, the compiler is going actually automatically detect what for type of variable or what for type of data type is. But this is a little bit not what I wanted. I don't know. We have here a string, we have here a variable, a string, which is now talk later is array of something, more than one. but the point is how we use variables in data, just to show. And let's open other one. Here again I say I have other variable, here I have var, and pretty much here, if you look at on, I don't know, just click on a program, you wanna see a string file. This is just a string, a variable as a string file. Here I have other variable. You see, variables, you are be able, or you are free to make unlimited variables, because end result, when you have to make something, okay, it's, let's say it's a, I don't know, let's say calculator. At the end we need right result. I'm not going to check how you wrote that for sure well, but result is really important, okay? And if you look at, it doesn't matter, but just C sharp here, for example, I'm coming here again. If you C sharp list var, I have variable, second one integer, you see those variable everywhere. Just search about it on a Google and just get some example, some code example. It doesn't it's not matter if you don't understand. Just look at that and just find variables. You see how variables play roles to execute the application. Boolean result. Here it asks, I have a variable which is bool, true or false, and then say I have a list contains 3. You say I have a list of something, I have a list of numbers, is that contains, that list has number 3 on it, and it wants to return true or false. Okay, and again here I have here a list, here 3 number, and it say that list contains 6, here return false because there is no 6 here, and here return true because there is 3 there. And for example, list, I have here 3 number which is list, and here again we have var, new converts int to decimal, and then x plus 1, and list wants to be 943 plus 1 as decimal, because it's decimal, 9 goes to be 9.0 because 9.000 is just equal to 9, like that. Just play with that, and this is just a little bit to make it clear what variable is. And before we go to the next part, we want to see some other examples. Okay guys, have a nice day, see you in the next time.